everyone, welcome to my channel. So you might be thinking, why are you wearing a hat indoors? Well, let me tell you, I haven't washed my hair in like 5 days, so it's looking a bit worse for wear. So I thought I'd throw on this hat and hopefully it will cover up all the like greasy situation up here. I will wash it today. You know, it just takes so long. It's like a whole day process to wash your hair and dry it and restyle it, and yeah, I'm going really off point at the moment because this video is not about my hair. It is a clothing haul. There's a surprise, me doing another clothing haul. This one, pretty little thing. I've got a massive bag, as you can see. Kind of opened it because, you know, I'm impatient and I want to see what's inside, but I still thought I'd do a haul with you. But yeah, I'm going to go through everything now. So, first thing we have is a coat, because I'm obsessed with coats. It's an addiction. I really need to seek help. But this one is red, as you can see. I thought I'd go for a little bit of a different colour. It's one of those like Aviator Jackets. So looks like that, and then inside it is all furry. Can you see? Doesn't that look like the warmest thing ever? Like, I just want to live in it. Let me put it on. Like, don't you think it looks good? I think it does anyway, but yeah, love this, and I think it might be around £60–70, but with the discount code it's a lot cheaper. Sticking with the red theme, I've got this high neck top. So obviously it's a bit like this one with its high neck. It's a burgundy ribbed kind of material, and it has these stripes around your neck and then also around the sleeves, as you can see. And then speaking of stripes, we've got these stripes as well. I feel like I'm doing everything in a good order at the moment. Everything's linking. But these are a little bit out there. Not too sure on them, but they're Stripy Flares, as you can see. They're quite a thin material, so I'm a little bit worried about like showing my bum in them, because I feel like your bum's just out there. There's nothing to cover it unless you wear like a longer top or jacket. But I'm excited to try these on and actually see what they look like. And then another thing with stripes on is this pair of trousers. They're a little bit like creased up, but these are more of a culotte style, I would guess. So they tie in your waist like that, and then they go down and they're just looser around the legs and really comfortable. And yeah, I'm excited to style these. I think I'll style it with like a tight top, like I'm wearing now, and then maybe a pair of boots I think would look really nice. And then we have a dress. This dress is quite a casual dress, just a black one, and I'm not sure if you can see it, but it has these like flared sleeves. And what is this style? Like a baby doll dress thing? Excited to style this. I think it would look good with like the red jacket and a black pair of boots, or over the knee boots or something like that. Next up is another black item. This is a crop top, kind of long sleeved frilly thing. I'm not really sure how you explain this top, but yeah, can you see it? I think you can. So it has all these like frills on them, and it is very cropped. That's the only thing I'm slightly concerned about, because I don't tend to wear cropped stuff. Just I'm not really comfortable with wearing really cropped stuff. I just feel a bit naked on my stomach area, so I will have to find something that's really high-waisted to wear with it. And then the last thing I got is this knitted jumper thing. I've already worn it, so the sleeves are like inside out, but it has all these tassel fringe things going on the arms, as you can see. Can you see that? Probably. And then it has a roll neck at the top. It's quite long, but you can roll it over a few times. And then it's also cropped, but not as cropped as the other top. So this you can definitely get away with just slightly high-waisted jeans or anything like that. So I hope you enjoyed this video and seeing everything I got from Pretty Little Thing. Of course, I'll link everything down below. Make sure to use a discount code, because I would be heartbroken if you paid full price for any of these, because Pretty Little Thing always have discount codes on. So just do a little bit of research, look on Twitter, look on the various like voucher codes and all of them websites, and I'm sure you'll be able to find a good deal. And I will see you in my next video. Bye!